check in with meteorologist Dave Warren, who can tell us more about the possibility for this active season. Dave.
Yes, another year in a row here where we're seeing the above average forecast. This is coming in. They do this every year, early April, and above average there with the Colorado State University forecast. There's your average numbers. There was last season. We had 21 named storms. We still have La Nina, although not as strong as it's been. When you get that cooler water in the Pacific, oftentimes less wind shear here in the Atlantic. Also, the water very warm here over the last few months, and typically if you see that, then it leads to warmer ocean water temperatures in the main development area August, September, and October. So those are a few of the factors that they're looking at that could point to an above average season here. We have some active weather tonight as far as a cold front. Showers associated with it are still being picked up by radar. They'll move through overnight tonight, but that's where they'll be by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. When you wake up and step outside, you will notice it still feels a little warm, still feels a little muggy, but that's all about the change as the breeze turns to the northwest. Skies will remain cloudy, but the rain clears out. Temperatures with a little bit of sunshine will manage to climb up to 80, just above 80, not just above 90 like we were today. So the humidity starts to drop and the dry air begins to move in with the northwest breeze. Friday afternoon, relative humidity pretty low. It's already dropping. Increase in humidity oftentimes at night because the temperature drops, but then as it heats up Saturday afternoon, could be very dry. And if there's a breeze, that's a bit of a concern, because when you get relative humidity about 35% with a wind about 15 miles an hour, that poses a fire danger. And we go from this muggy air to very dry, and it's with us all weekend. Watching the times though, with the dew point in the 50s, temperature in the 80s, that could lead to some very dry conditions. But look at the temperature Saturday morning into the mid to low 60s. 71, a muggy start tomorrow. Clouds linger, some sun, 81 degrees. Now after 71 in the morning, typically when we see our low temperature, not the case tomorrow. We'll be hitting our low temperature right before midnight as we drop into the upper 60s. Small craft advisory with that breeze, so watch it on the waters there as the wind goes to the northwest. 2 to 3 foot seas, about 3 to 5 foot seas in the Keys with the north to northwest wind. Saturday, it is dry with the cooler breeze. By Sunday morning, it is cool with temperatures dropping into the 50s here, 60s right along the coast. This looks like it's the coolest morning because Monday, we're up to 79 degrees. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, back above 80 degrees with an increase in humidity and a mix of sun and clouds.